Hello and welcome to this video. I want to show you how to use the script called Tag Numbering System. Here I have a test project where I have just put some different pipes. There are some warm water pipes, some sludge pipes, and other. These each have pipe accessories on them. To use the script, go onto the Manage tab and click on the Dynamo Player. Then bold down and double click on the correct Dynamo file. There is a lot of input values to this. Firstly, we select pipe accessories as these are the components we want to check. Then we have to select the two files that go into the script. The first one is a CSV file and the second one is an Excel file. We will come on to this later. Then I choose the view that I want to see my changes. And the rest is the naming of the different filters that are applied when the script runs. It is also important to have the correct sheet name, but we will come on to this later. Let's first have a look at the CSV file that goes into the script. I open it here, then I just expand the columns so you can see them better. Here we have the different codes from the different systems in Revit and the PID. For example, warm water has the code RAW. These codes come from this PDF file that you can find on Google Drive. Here we can see all the codes that I have used, but the Excel file makes sure that we can change them to a specific project. We also have this file that goes into it. This is an Excel file that is a direct output from the Plant PID. This file that we see now is just an example. Usually the files are much bigger, but this file shows all of the tag numbering in the PID as well as the system type. It's important to look at the name of the sheet. Now we come back to the Dynamo Player and see that the sheet name is correct. Now I can run the script. When the script runs, there will come a pop-up window up. These are the specific PID tags from the Excel file that is not in the Revit file. Look at these tags. When running the script, it says complete now and I can close it. You can see that I have opened the view that I chose, the collision view, and that has made some changes. The ones with the pink color has now a text value that says PID tag no match in Excel. The ones where the PID tag was OK in this check has not changed color. So they have the text value PID tag OK from Excel. And the ones with the orange color has the text value system type undefined. The script has also made the schedule called PID tag schedule, where we can see all of our findings. Here we can look at all of our pipe accessories that fall into the three different categories. The way that the collision view shows the colors are by filters that have been created by this Dynamo script. If we want to clear what we have just made, we can run the script called tag numbering clear text, and all of the colors and filters will disappear. As well as the text value that was applied, so now the schedule looks like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please contact the BIM team at Krøyer.